In this next module, we're going to look at maximizing skills practice in context. In the first example, you'll see the patients working through I statement worksheets. While these kind of activities will help with procedural learning, they won't help the patients develop the unconscious automated processes or appropriate practice to use these skills outside of the treatment space. Anyone can create an I statement in isolation in a quiet space, but it's much different if you're being yelled at. In the next example, we have them going through a mingle or a role play where they are practicing different real-life scenarios. And they don't just do it once. They do it again and again with different people and different scenarios. This helps with real-world practice, contextual practice, and problem solving, setting them up for success when they leave the treatment space. Okay, so sticking with our practicing of formulating I statements, I've passed out a worksheet to each of you. I'd like you to work on that now.
In a real-life situation, no one is going to wait for a patient to stop and check what they filled out on their worksheet. So while this simple performance task will increase knowledge about the topic, what patients really need is skills practice.
We're going to be doing a role play, all right? And so continuing our topic of I statements, you're going to be practicing using those in real-life contexts. So I'm going to pair you up. So what you're going to do is you're going to find your partner, and if you want, you can stand up and you can move around, kind of go to different parts of the room because we don't want the conversations overlapping too much. And you're going to read your scenario card, and then you're going to start your conversation, all right? All right, so 3, 2, 1, get started. Stand up, move around. We can have you guys come over here.
So do you now do an I statement?
Notice the engagement in the room and how everyone is actively involved in a conversation mimicking a scenario they might actually face when they leave treatment. Formulating an I statement on the spot demonstrates mastery of the skill.
Been at the bar with other staff who were out that day.
You were the,
When you talk,
you're the child. And